Okay. Hi student, how are you? I am Shiva Gautam. Okay. In this session, I am describing the database related questions during interview. Okay. So suppose you are appearing for interviews for Python, Java, C Sharp.net or ROR or any other technologies. Okay. So you are mostly focused on front end or back end code, but you are not focusing on database code. But database is too much important as compared to front end and back end also. So you should be knowledge of database basic to some most important skills. Okay. So in this video session, I am describing that which is most important topic for database based interview questions. Okay. So you can note this and prepare if you have any doubt related any questions, then you can ask me. I will comment your questions, your queries in comment section. Okay, the first question is that which database server or which database you have used in your project. Okay, the first you should knowledge of the database. Suppose that you have used MySQL database in your project, then you should knowledge of MySQL, that what is MySQL. Okay, so suppose that I am asking to you that what is MySQL, you can answer it that MySQL is a relational database management software that is used to create the database, contain the tables, manage the record in structured and unstructured pattern. Okay, MySQL is most useful database for middle layer application, middle level applications, high level applications, and small level applications. Small scale, middle scale, and large scale, all type of applications you can create by MySQL. Okay, and now the MySQL is the part of Oracle. MySQL is the best database. It is compatible in Java, it is compatible in .NET, it is compatible in PHP, Python, all open source technology, mostly open source technology prefer MySQL. Okay. PostgreSQL is another database. It is also used for Python. If you are working on Python Django, then PostgreSQL database is widely used databases. Okay, the third one is a SQLite. It is also most important database today. Okay, Ruby on Rails. Suppose that you are working on Python Django, they are providing SQLite as a default database. So first thing is that you should knowledge of database, that what database you have used in your project. And the second most important point is that you should knowledge of normalization concept. Okay, what is normalization? Okay, how many type of normalization you have implemented in your project. Okay, basically first normalization and second normalization, that is mandatory for each project. What is primary key, what is foreign key, okay, how many type of mode of foreign key, suppose that on delete cascade, on update cascade. Okay, this type of question you should learn. Okay, this is the most important question during interview. Referential integrity constraint, what is the constraint, how many ways to apply the constraint on tables. Okay, so that is the mandatory questions. How many primary key you can create in a single table. Okay, this is a question. How many foreign key you can create in a single table. What is unique. Okay, how to define what is indexing, why we apply indexing. Okay, how to add constraint dynamically. What is the alter command, what is the difference between alter command and update command, what is the difference between drop command, truncate command, and delete command. How to write the syntax of insert command. These are the basic questions of SQL database or any database related interviews. Okay, and some advanced topic you should know about join. Join is compulsory. Okay, inner join, outer join, self join, left outer join, right outer join. So join concept is most useful. Okay, after join subqueries. Okay, you should knowledge of correlated subqueries also, non-correlated subqueries also, and what is the difference between subqueries and joins. Okay, this is also the most important question for database. Okay, second highest salary of employee, the record of employee which is getting second highest salary, third highest salary, how to use group by clause, how to use order by clause. Okay, group by and order by. Okay, this is also the most important question for each interviews. Okay, so these are the most important topic. One time again I am revising that. First you should knowledge of all the queries syntax. Suppose that update command syntax, insert command syntax, delete command syntax, join operation syntax you should know. Okay, and after that normalization concept. Okay, so these are the very important, and subquery part, that the also important for interviews. Okay, as well as your definitions part will be clear. And if you are mention the project in interviews, then the tables, what tables you have used in your project, their ER diagram you should create. If you are create entity relationship diagram, then you can easily describe your project. Okay, so my suggestions to you that if you are implementing any project and appearing for interviews as a freshers or as a experience, you are experienced also, then if you are added the project on your your in resume, then you should knowledge of database relations. This how many master table you have created, how many child table have you created, and what will be the relationship between master table and child table. These all knowledge you should know. Okay, so this session I have described to you that you should not use you prepare back end part, you prepare front end part, but you should focus on database part also. Okay, because the database is the heart of any applications, and it is the most important concept during interviews. Every interviews, if you go with any interviews, then 50% questions will be based on database, but we are not preparing for this. Many students have major doubt is that which database do you know. They are always answering that they knew about SQL database. SQL is not a database. SQL is a language. Okay, it is a common language, a structured query language that is common for all databases. Okay, but today some most important database also they are available in market that they not support SQL. Suppose that MongoDB. MongoDB is also the database which not support SQL. They are working on collections. Okay, they are working on object pattern. Okay, so there are lots of database also working, also exist on industry that they not support SQL basically. But if you are mentioning that you knew about MySQL, you knew about Oracle, you know about MS SQL, you know about CouchDB, you know about SQLite, you know about PostgreSQL, then you should knowledge of SQL language, because SQL language is common for all. Okay, that's it. If you have any doubts, then you can comment me on my video session. Okay, and if you are forgetting to subscribe my channel, then you can subscribe it. If you want to learn any programming practically, okay, with my batch, okay, you can contact me on below phone numbers. I have described my contact detail. Our organization name is Shiva Concept Solution. Okay, we are working from 10 to 12 years in the industry, and our 90% student is placed on top MNCs. Okay, and we also provide database training, Python training, and software testing training. Okay, Java training, all programming languages. Okay, as well as modern technologies training also we are conducting offline mode and online mode. If you are in Indore, then you can attend offline, and if you are outside of Indore, for example Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, then you can attend online training also. Thanks to watching.